case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The dispute between Inova Capital Funding and Qualia Clinical Service hinged on issues of unperfected security interests, preference, and creditors' rights under the Bankruptcy Code. The key protagonist in this legal drama, Inova Capital Funding, had entered into a deal with Qualia, a provider of clinical studies to pharmaceutical companies, in December 2007. Under the agreement, Qualia could sell its customer invoices to Inova in return for advance payment, and Inova would be responsible for collecting the invoiced amounts. However, Qualia remained obliged to Inova for the full value of each invoice sold. The transaction seemed routine until February 2009, when Qualia, facing financial straits, sought for bankruptcy protection. Despite Inova's claims of a secured interest on Qualia's property, including its accounts receivable, trouble brewed for Inova as it filed a UCC-1 financing statement only in February 2009, arguably tardy by legal standards. Caught in these complexities, the Bankruptcy Court and the Bankruptcy Appellate Panel decided that Inova's security interest could be sidestepped, deeming it avoidable as a preference. This meant that Inova's position had unfairly improved compared to other creditors. Inova's defense and its attempts at invoking Section 547, C5A, and subsection C5B of the Bankruptcy Code fell on deaf ears. Their claims about the transaction being a true sale, a financing agreement, or that they had given new value under subsection C5B were dismissed. The court confirmed that improvement in position test written into the code is meant solely for creditors who have a perfected security interest prior to the preference period. In sum, the courtroom drama ended unfavorably for Inova Capital Funding. The appellate court found absolutely no legal or factual errors in the bankruptcy court and the bankruptcy appellate panel's decisions. The fault lines lay squarely with Inova's imperfect security interest and its belated attempt at perfection, which saw it lose potential safe harbor under the code. Split the text above into sentences. Identify the most important physical item or profession in the sentence. If there is no physical item or profession, then use a physical good or profession from a different sentence. Suggest a physical good or profession that could represent justice or the court. Avoid suggesting anything sexual, text, logos, signs, documents, words, symbols, hands, feet, or anything abstract. Don't repeat images across sentences. Describe the image in 5-8 words. Format your response in JSON.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.